Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, the channel where I show you every single day how to draw something different. So everybody, before we get started today on our drawing of Zero from Nightmare Before Christmas, I'm going to remind you guys to feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see drawn in the next Daily Doodle. Also, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss the next Daily Doodle, and feel free to give a like too, because it really helps out the channel. Alright, so we're going to start Zero. Now, I'm going to start with his little nose. His little nose is actually a little pumpkin. So I'm going to do a little circle. Okay, now from that little circle, I'm going to start his snout. Continuing on from there. Okay, and now, big circle for his eye, and another circle for his other eye. I'm going to color in those eyes. Okay, now I'm going to keep on going with this snout all the way here, give him a little line right there, and give him a smile. He's going to have his mouth open. And I can color the inside of his mouth black. Now I'm going to start here from his eye and give him a little bump there. Come on over, another little bump, little like eyebrow bumps. Come on down, give him his little cheek, and we're going to connect his head to the rest of his mouth. Okay, like that. Now he needs ears. So they're very long, wavy ears that wave in the wind, so they can kind of have any sort of shape, really. One ear. Now we're working on two ear. You can see this second ear is kind of behind the first one. Okay. Now I'm going to give him his red collar. Now his body is very flowy, almost just like a sheet, like a white sheet in the wind. I apologize if you can hear my dogs barking. They're outside the room and they are playing and they're barking away. So sorry if you can hear that. Okay, so I'm also going to give Zero his other little paw, I guess, kind of. So right there, and then his other little hand paw thing right there. And I'm going to give him a few little lines coming down from his collar. So he's really, like I said, just kind of like a wavy sheet. And his little pumpkin nose, I'm going to give that really teeny tiny little pumpkin face. Like a little jack-o'-lantern face. But super duper tiny, you can't see it very well. And that's okay. Okay, so now we are done drawing Zero, and I'm going to start to color him in a bit. So I'm going to start by giving his little pumpkin nose a little bit of a glow. So I'm taking a light orange and kind of giving it a little glow around the nose. Okay. And now I'm going to take a brighter orange and continue on that little glow. And I'm going to take my brightest orange and color in that nose. Okay, now I'm going to take a red color in his collar. And I'm going to give Zero a bit of shading here and there with a gray color. So it's only a light gray, just to make some areas pop and stand out a little bit more. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but kind of really makes some areas stand out a bit more. Feel free to let me know in the comments below who your favorite Nightmare Before Christmas character is. Or maybe you haven't watched Nightmare Before Christmas. Maybe you don't have a favorite character in that, and that's totally fine. Maybe you could let me know in the comments below who your favorite spooky Halloween character is, because I'm very curious to know. So giving Zero a little bit of a dark background also helps to make him pop off the page a little bit more too, because he's such a light character. So it really helps to make him stand out more. But you don't have to use black, you can use any color you want. You don't even have to give him a background. But I just think it makes the picture look better. But Zero's a fairly easy character to draw, and he's pretty fun to draw. Alright everybody, so we are done our drawing of Zero from The Nightmare Before Christmas. Please leave a like if you liked it, and leave a comment to let me know what you would like to see drawn next. And feel free to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's Daily Doodle. Alright everyone, I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye!